Yo, what is up, you guys? How are you guys doing on this gorgeous day? Well, it's kind of not gorgeous, it's kind of rainy up here. So, as you guys will see, I was struggling with my acrylic application in this video because it was super freezing cold, man. It was like 40 degrees. I'm not like, ugh, it was ridiculous. Um, but shout out to one of my TikTok followers because they suggested that I add a little bit of acetone in my monomer, and that kind of helps with the setting along faster and all that stuff. So shout out to them. I'm starting off with a little spring set. I just am eager to use these kind of like pastel colors. I love this blue. This is from Beetles. So what I'm doing is applying some gel, and I'm like blending that free edge right there because that's where I'm gonna ombre and I don't want it to be too harsh. Gonna cure that for 30 seconds. I did end up putting a very thin layer of clear over the gel polish. I just don't like the way ombre looks over just gel polish. I just wanted a little bit of clear so it'll go maybe smoother. And then I'm going in with Mia's Secret Cover Pink and working that onto the rest of my fingers. Y'all, today I was busting ass, okay? I went on TikTok live. Follow me there, glambyemmy_. I go on TikTok live pretty often and they're pretty lit. Like my followers are pretty lit and it's super fun. I answer any questions everybody has. We all just chit chat about nails and whatever random stuff. I got some music going, so if you guys are interested in that, let me know. Follow me there. I would really appreciate it. And then I also went on YouTube live, but since I'm under 1,000 subscribers, I think they limit the amount of people I can that can join my live or view it for safety reasons, I suppose. But yeah, next Saturday at 10 a.m. is when I'm gonna go live again on YouTube. So if you guys are interested, go ahead and join that. And now I'm putting out this YouTube video for you guys. I'm working hard to get this content for y'all, okay? I'm working hard. I'm putting in that work. But right now I'm gonna go ahead and start to ombre. It was a little tough because of the temperature in my room, not gonna lie. Nothing was setting, so it was just a little bit harder to get that ombre. I still did it in the end, but you guys will see in the video that the application is not so neat, but you know, it is what it is. I just kept going because I did want to put something out for you guys, and I did love the idea of what I was doing. So I was just like, nah, let's do this. I can't let my people down. I can't let them down. And for next video, you guys, I have something super exciting. I ordered a Gel X kit from the Beetles. I got it on sale too. I got it for like 17 bucks and it retailed for like 50. So that was super cool too. But I'm gonna try Gel X for the first time, and y'all are gonna see kind of how it goes. I'm gonna make a video of it, and you guys are gonna see kind of the process, what the product like has and everything like that. And hopefully it goes well, because I don't know, when I try things for the first time, especially on camera, it can be a little like nerve-wracking. But yeah, I'm hoping it'll go well. I'm like, with Gel X, I love it. I love the way it looks and everything like that. I'm just kind of worried about the way it feels. I like acrylic so much because it does have that sturdiness and that thickness, and that's what I like started off learning, right? And Gel X is a new product that has you know, obviously gel. You put it on your nail bed and you use it as your like adhesion essentially. So I'm just a little nervous. It's something new, and I'm a little nervous that it's going to be a little too thin for my liking or feel too much like just straight up press-ons, I guess. I don't know. We'll see. And also I made a glow in the dark press-on set the other day. Oh, it was pretty tight. Should I show you guys? I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna enter a clip real quick. Okay, normal ombre set. Okay, this was made out of acrylic too, and then boom, glow in the dark. I think the concept is so cool. My client is like super creative. I ended up changing it to ballerina so it looked better than that square. But yeah, like imagine you're, I don't know, at a party, you're just like, oh my god, your nails are so cute. You know, you got your little classy little ombre, and then the lights go off, and then boom, you got that glow in the dark shit. Sheesh. I ordered some like glow in the dark powder off of Amazon, and I mixed it with the little kind of like milky white that I have. And yeah, from there it kind of went really well. So I hope she loves it. I'm gonna deliver it to her. sometime soon. But yeah, it came out super cool. I love the concept. And since I have that powder, I'm gonna be really interested in like maybe I can repurpose it and mix it with like some clear gel polish or something like that and make some glow in the dark gel art. I don't know, we'll see. We'll see. But yeah, and I'm also thinking about opening up a press-on like website that people can order from, because so far it's just been like local orders that I'm getting and I kind of deliver them, but I want to expand my range to be all over the US, you know. So I'm kind of navigating how to figure that out. Maybe a Shopify, maybe a Square, I don't know, we'll see. But that's kind of what I want to do, because I do sell press-ons and I do want to make them more available to everybody. I feel like my clients mainly find me through Instagram, and it's kind of mainly always local, so I do want to expand on that a little bit. So once I do make my website or whatever, I'll be ending up putting the links in my bio and people can order from there. But yeah, once I come up with like a bunch of press-on designs too, and then make them, and I don't know, it's just a whole process, so we'll see how that goes. I tried it when I very first started and I had no idea what it was doing, so I kind of just like left it alone for a little bit, but hopefully now it'll be a little bit more successful. I tried Etsy. I feel like Etsy doesn't push out your stuff unless you're like well established there, or you like pay for ads or anything like that. So I didn't really like Etsy either. And then I've just heard a whole bunch of horror stories about how people getting their small business shop shut down for no reason by Etsy. So I just was like, nah, let me just back up off Etsy and try my own thing. So we'll see how that goes. Wish me luck, you guys. I'm gonna be working on that for the next couple weeks. And then hopefully I can record some of those sets that I'm posting too for you guys, so you guys can see what I'm doing. So I'm going in with some clear. I'm not gonna do the whole process. I'm just gonna show you guys my thumb. Let me know if you guys want a whole little explanation or talk through of clear encapsulation. I honestly just use it to build up my apex and structure and give a little bit of strength to the nail. And I was just struggling to build my apex with this clear since it was super cold. Nothing was setting. It was like super runny. So that's also another reason why I didn't include it in the video, because I was just like, okay, this is just too much. This is just a mess right now. So next time I'll bring my heater in my room if you guys want to see that encapsulation. And yeah, but look at the shape is shaping. It's giving. So right here I'm gonna do some sugar glitter Frenchies, and I think I've posted a video on this already on my channel, I believe. I'm covering the full pinky nail in sugar glitter. It's kind of rough because I had to file some stuff off. I put another design, but I ended up filing it off. So I'm just gonna put full sugar glitter, and then I'm gonna do 2 Frenchies. And so when you're doing sugar glitter, you just apply your gel, don't cure it. You're gonna sprinkle it onto the uncured gel, and then you're gonna cure it for 60 seconds, and then you can like wipe everything off. But I'll let you guys go ahead and watch this process. I featured it a little bit on my channel, so I'll just let you guys watch this process. Okay, last minute I decided to kind of go in with this little design on this finger. I was gonna do some more flowers, but I was like, nah, let's just do a little outline, little swirlies and everything like that. You could leave it like this with just the blue. I think it looks so pretty. But I ended up going in with sugar glitter, but either way it looks so cute. I kind of wish I would have left it regular, but it is what it is. So I'm just going in, I'm sprinkling that. And then I'm gonna dust off the glitter and cure it. But yeah, thank you guys again so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, turn on your notifications because YouTube don't be letting y'all know when I post sometimes. Let me know what you guys think of the sets, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.